Have you ever thought of a stylish and simple woman wear and go wig?
This hair is all shade of beauty and elegance. This is giving. This looks so natural.
And you don't have to go through any hassle to install it. It is 3-in-1 half wig wear and go with clip-in and drawstring. Honestly everyone, this hair is giving. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this amazing hair from ULA. In case you don't know ULAHAIR, ULA is a brand that specializes in providing wide range of high quality wigs and hair extensions. Irrespective of your hair texture or color, you will sure find something on their website that will fit your hair. So I just reviewed the whole package. That is everything that comes in the package. And here is the hair, this gorgeous 3-in-1 half wig with clip-ins, band and drawstring. No glue is needed to install this wig. It is human wig. You just wear and go. You can see the volume of this hair is about 200% density. It is so full. And here is my 4C natural hair. I'm going to show you how to install this 3-in-1 clip-in wear and go. This is practically the easiest method to install this hair. My hair is washed and I just conditioned it, and then I'm applying my usual jam to make it sleek a bit. I just want my hair to look as natural as it can be, so it can look natural with the wig. Alright everyone, and this is the wig right here. Very easy to install. I just put it on my hair and then clip it down on my natural hair. This didn't even take me up to like 25 minutes to get it all set up, and I'm just conditioning this hair. Oh my god, this hair looks so good. You can decide to make it wet by applying conditioner, or you can just leave it the way it is. However you want it, it still looks good all the same, honestly. And I just sprayed my oil here. This looks so good. Look at this. This hair feels so soft and it is tangle free.
Oh my god, this hair is giving, honestly. I just feel so different right now. I can decide to put this right here. I can decide to have it like this. I love it. This hair is all shade of beauty and elegance. This is giving. I just want my hair to look so natural. And look at this. This looks so natural. I can't decide to take it to the back. This looks so natural, honestly. This is so cool. I love this hair. It's so soft, so cool. I love it. I love it so much. And I can decide to also style it however I want it. So this is the simplest method you can ever use on this type of hair, especially if you don't know how to cornrow your own hair. This is just wear and go. Honestly, it's 3-in-1 clip-in. I love it. I love it so much. This looks so good. Honestly, however you want it. I look so gracious. I look so awesome.
I will leave the link to purchasing this hair on the video description. Honestly everyone, this is super easy, super simple, super stylish, super gorgeous, whatever super you can call this hair. It is awesome. It makes me look different. I went ahead to start it with different bands, giving me different stunning looks. I look so cool everyone. In my honest review, I feel you should own this hair. Honestly, I also went ahead to just take off the whole thing and it still looks gorgeous. and I'm gonna be styling it into cornrows. This wig is very easy to install, so you can style your hair into whatever style you feel is okay with you. There is no particular style, but I'm just gonna cornrow my hair because I feel this wig will look so well, I mean so good with front cornrows. Alright everyone, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna install the 3-in-1 clip-in wear and go. Very easy. I just put it on and then clip it down. Everyone, this looks so great. I feel so cool. Very easy to put on, no hassle, no stress. This hair is tangle free. Look at this. You can reuse this hair multiple times. You can wash it and dry it. You can do whatever things you feel like doing with this hair. It is that awesome. I'm applying leave-in hair conditioner here to redefine the coils. Everyone, whether this hair looks wet or dry, it is tangle free. You could see how I run my fingers through the hair without any obstruction. It is so soft and tangle free. I love the way it is so coily and dense. This hair is so full. I also went ahead to bring out 2 bangs in front. Oh, the hair is giving. I put down the link to purchasing the hair on the description of this video. Head over to the website and get this hair for yourself, or you could as well get something else on their website. They have varieties of hair you can pick from. You could also leave me a comment in the comment section about how you feel about ULAHAIR and my look in general. See you again next time. Bye.